Question 12. The following are effects of soil erosion. 1. V-shaped channels in the ground. 2. Top layer of the soil missing. 3. Small hole on the ground. 4. Shallow channels in the ground. Which effect is as a result of soil erosion that occurs without noticing and gully erosion respectively? A. 2, and 3. B. 3, and 4. C. 1, and 2. Or D. 2, and 1. You will never notice top layer of soil being eroded, you will only realize after some time that the layer is not there. Also, the development of small holes in the ground happens unknowingly. Shallow channels and V-shaped channel can be seen. Therefore the answer is A.